Hose is great for watering flowers, but it won't clean your driveway. Until now. Introducing the 8-in-1 EasyJet Water Cannon. It's the first patented tool that combines the power of a pressure washer with the convenience of a garden hose. Blast away dirt and grime from driveways and sidewalks. Power away caked-on dirt and mold from wood decks. Unclog rain gutters and blast pool filters clean. Destroy dirt from walkway stones. Now twist, and you have a gentle mist to water all your delicate plants. Another twist, and you have a powerful water broom to sweep patios, decks, and walkways. Amazing! Look, water enters the expansion chamber and is stored until you release it, and then it's forced out one of the 8 spray nozzles. Now, fill the dispenser with soap and power clean your second-story windows without ever climbing another ladder. Twist again to wash and rinse your entire car in just minutes. Fill with liquid fertilizer and treat your entire lawn and plants. Just twist, and you're ready to clean those hard-to-reach places. With 8 built-in nozzles, you'll have the right spray for every job, every day. From power cleaning to flower misting. Look, pressure cleaners are expensive and hard to use. Save money right